So I'm just out here talking to people and hopefully giving out business cards and drumming up business for the channel. Hi. And right now I'm drinking fireweed and stinging nettle tea. It's actually tasty, really good. It's supposed to be really good for Crohn's disease, any IBS, IBD. It's supposed to be really good for the prostate and even the colon and all sorts of other stuff. But those are the main things. But it's good, and I'm finally starting to get more and more into drinking the teas instead of so much coffee. The tea is a lot healthier for your body than the coffee is. But yeah, I'm just actually waiting for the tide to go out more and see if I can drop the canoe in there and possibly scoop up some herring out there or something. But all the boats are gone, so I don't know. I really don't know what's going on. It's only like the herring run itself only lasts about up to 4 days or something like that. It's very short, fast. So I might have kind of missed it, just caught the tail end there possibly. But we'll see. I actually wouldn't mind some herring now for dinner or something. That'd be great. I'd love it. I'd love it. But it seems like no more people in this general area right now. You ever watch YouTube?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah? Just check us out if you wouldn't mind.
Okay.
Sounds good.
It's about me and my 2 little dogs. We live in this permanently.
Okay.
And we're like off-grid. And I go wild foraging gourmet mushrooms out in the wild. I go fishing. I get stinging nettle and fiddleheads and all that wild food foraging and stuff. And then we do canoeing, hiking. Like, we just kind of go out there and do stuff. And we hope to make it entertaining. And if you like it, share it with all your friends. Yeah, we're trying to boost our subscribers and our views and everything. So, yeah, but yeah, hopefully you like it. And like I say, and if you don't, just give the card to someone else.
Okay, well, we'll check it out.
Okay, thanks very much. Have a great day. Bye.
Hi, sir.
How you doing?
Pretty good.
Good, good. Hello. Kind of unfortunate, but I think I missed my moment. I was out here and all the ships out here getting a herring there yesterday, and now there's no boats out at all today. Tide's going out. I know there's other herring out there. I see sea lions popping up all over the place. But what I was going to do today was I was going to drop my canoe in at low tide and go out in the canoe with my net. Just see how many herring I could actually scoop up just with my net, which would have been probably quite a bit, except looks like the run is finished. It's they only last about 4 days apparently, and I guess I must have got it on the last day yesterday. Insane. Oh well, that is too bad. Still gorgeous out here. Beautiful place to hang out. Everybody's out here still wandering about. I keep trying to film the sea lions there, but like with everything, the dogs and everything, as soon as I pull the camera out, all the action stops. And I'm not joking. I turn around, go back, put the camera away, and I'll look out here and there'll be sea lions bobbing up and down all over the place. And they were only about 50 to 100 feet offshore a while ago, just before I came out here. Anyway, I guess it's just time to go back and get the girls and, I don't know, maybe let them run around for a while and then see what happens. Just one of our local beautiful bald eagles. Beautiful, eh? They're gorgeous animals. Oop. There's some sea lion action out here. Finally got a little bit. He's only a couple of 100 feet offshore too. Really hard to capture them. They come up and they do the thing and then they take off for a while. Oh. There he is again. There he is again, coming back. Coming back. There he goes. And there he roosts up in that tree up there. Just across the street from the seawall down here. Yep. Right there. That's his roost up there. One paddle boarder's going out now. And I think you might be able to see in the background sea lion keeps popping up. It's all about balance, apparently. A lot of paddle boards all over the place nowadays. I came to film the sea lion and it kept popping up, but it disappeared now. Oh well. Yeah, it seems a bit of a shame to leave this gorgeous, beautiful spot this evening. Yeah, it's so beautiful. I just want to stay here and camp out every night. It's so beautiful, peaceful, and the sounds of the waves and everything. It's just fantastic. Yeah, it sure seems a shame to have to take off from here. But anyway, I do have to head uptown and go up and find a parking spot beside the library up in Qualicum there. So tomorrow morning when I get up, I get myself ready and do the live show. So tomorrow's Sunday morning and we're going to be doing the live show. So yeah, I got to get myself positioned overnight so I can, have a spot in the morning. Otherwise it will all be filled up kind of thing. Anyway, yeah, so that's what we have to do. And sadly, we have to leave this gorgeous, gorgeous panoramic view and everything. It's kind of sad. Anyway, we're going to take off. The girls are in the truck, and we're just going to lock the rest of it down and head out of here. Head uptown. Okay, catch you on the flip side. People there still. They just park and go uptown somewhere. I don't know what they're doing. But I guess we'll just park here and wait for them to take off and leave. This is the library, downtown Qualicum. Yeah, right in the bottom on the bottom floor there. Guy just moved a little minute ago and we're just pulling into place here. Yeah, this should be good right about there. Perfect. Okay, there we are. Let's get out of here. Ouch. I'm old. There we are. Here we go. There we are. We're parked outside the library here. Like I said earlier, we're here to camp overnight and do our live show in the morning. So, not too bad, eh? Pretty funky. And we don't even have to be stealth about it. I have my lights on inside. People know I'm in there. Got the fire going, so yeah. Interesting, eh? Cool. Let's get ready. Well, here we go. We're now settling in for the night. We're parked outside the library, so we're all ready for tomorrow's live show and everything, right, little girl? Yeah, you're all ready too. Yeah, and there we got a nice little fire blazing away there, even uptown in downtown Qualicum. Yeah, fire blazing away on our wood stove. Yeah, awesome. So, there we go. We are all ready now. I'm just gonna relax, sit back. I don't know. I think I'm gonna watch some kind of movie or something on Prime Video, and just chill out for the evening and slowly drift off to sleep. What a way to go, eh? What a way to go. Yeah, this is great. This is great. Okay, well, I guess we'll catch you in the morning then. See you on the live show. Ciao for now. Right? Yeah. Tally ho. Tally ho.